no good, right? So a friend of mine, Kayla, which you guys have seen her numerous times, she helped us catch the cow. We're going to the lake to ride today, so I had to come over and snag my pony. I'm running away. Alright, I'll feed one. Kind of got like an assortment of Purina going on here. I'll feed one and I'll take Shiloh's with her. Come on, get in. Are you happy now that you've had breakfast? Hey, there's a few crumbs. Do you want it? Hey, do you want the crumbs? Done with it? Can I eat and mow Kaylee's grass?
Yes, please. Started the grill.
Mine are set back. It's only been 2.5 hours. It's not been 8 hours. Shiloh! Stop it! Easy, Shy. Easy. It's so pretty. Easy, easy. Good girl. Good girl. Did you get a drink, Boo? Come on, Boo Boo. Let's go. Happy Sunday. It's beautiful. However, it's cool and very, very breezy and extremely windy, like crazy wind. Jason went to pull up one of the heifers that we've been waiting on, one of my fancy girls. She was like one of the very last ones to get pregnant last year, obviously. So we are pulling her up in the barn. We made the conscious decision after letting her kind of do her own thing for the last couple hours, just watching her. She's not progressing as fastly as I would appreciate her to do. So making that conscious decision, we're pulling her up out into the barn, and I'm just going to assist and just make sure everything's okay. I just don't want to have any problems. I don't want to lose the baby or her regardless. So I'm going to meet them over there. Yeah, we're gonna pull a baby. Pull a baby. Also, disclaimer, I'm not sure how much coverage we'll get, like video-wise, while we're doing the process. I don't have my good camera, I don't have my stand, I don't have my mics, I have nothing besides my phone. So, just bear with us. I'm not prepared, I know, guys, I'm sorry. But I had intended to take the weekend away. Like yesterday, Kayla and I went to the lake, we rode, it was so good. It was good for me, it was good for her, it was good for the horses, it was 6 miles. Ryder is exhausted today. He is flat out exhausted. Like he didn't care to even, he stayed at home because he's so tired. But such a good day. Self-care is so important, and I neglect that quite a bit. So I had no intentions of videoing anything today and then just resetting this week, but here we are. Probably gonna piece a few days together just because of the way it is. We are going to also be working cows this week and preparing for AI dry. So lots of cow stuff still before we get into the hayfields. That's where we're at. Have a fantastic day, guys, if I could talk. If you liked today's video, thumbs up, comment below, you know the drill. And if you're new here, well, welcome to Azoric Farms. Alright.
Just come out frontwards if it's smooth.
Okay.
I guess you try to wrap it around its legs.
So the whole idea is to wrap the chains kind of around your hocks and give yourself more leverage. But the feet aren't out yet, so it makes it a little bit more trickier to get going and find them. But you got a nose and all that.
Yep.
Well, that's a relief that it's not backwards or breached.
One and one, yep. I got both feet.
Big calf.
I don't think so.
Not too bad. So this just rides right over her butt and interlocks on the hips to help give support. The biggest thing is if you can catch her with she's contracting herself. You good? She gets past the pelvis, it's pretty smooth sailing, but we just gotta get through there. You got air bubbles.
The red calf.
Red calf?
Yep. There you know, man. It's what?
Looks like it's black. White feet. She was one of two of our very first black Herefords that we bought from the Royal sale. She's pretty fancy. Pretty special. Need help getting it over the nose?
It's coming.
Try not to tear. Hold on just a second. Let me get up on an odd angle. I really need to be on that side of this.
It's coming. It's coming.
Sure, let's turn it on grass. It's fine. Come on, Mom. Don't go down. Don't go down. Yep. Release. Let her stand back up. Come on, baby. Stand back up. She's got to get back up, Jason. Hey. Come on, Mom. You want to open the gate? What do you want to do here? Keep that tongue clean from all that crap. Come on, Mom. Stand back up. You get her back up, Jason. Are you got to cinch down or is she open all the way?
Open.
Hey, come on, Mom. Stand back up. Stand back up.
Dad, should I just keep recording?
Come here, Leo.
Get above
You can go in here, Jake.
Here, come over here.
The gate's open here too. I got it. So, look in the corner. There, you might shut that.
You over there, what?
Let her lay down if we have to.
It's coming.
Yep, come on.
Yep.
Keep going.
It's moving.
Come on. There you go, keep coming. Give her a break, give her a break. There, come on. Come on, girl, don't go down, don't go down. Come on, mama. Come on. There we go. Come on. Easy. Hands are too slick.
Protective equipment. Here it goes.
Full calf.
It's live. Turn around.
Just don't let him in. Don't let her out.
You got to go down, did you? Okay. Okay. Yeah, like 12:30 last night. Yeah. Yeah. I woke up, I was like, I won't, if I don't go by and pick it up, it's going to be out there. Alright.
Here, Jennifer, record that.
Don't let him out with the horses, though. We're gonna turn him like outside. Come on. Jason, I think she might have another one.
Yeah.
Make it.
Yeah. A little bit more on these boxes. I'd rather just
Nothing.
come together. I really like this summertime in beds. It'll be a little bit easier. The ground will be as wet as easier to train. It'll just be better. Good. Yeah. Yep. Nope, we'll get knocked out. Knocked out there. Bye.
Nope. She knows.
Didn't make it?
Nope. And it's bleeding out. Probably.
Yeah. There's not another one in there, is there?
It is never easy or fun when you lose one. Especially one with at that quality and caliber, and it was a bull calf, and we did what we could to save it, and she wouldn't have had it on her own. Like, we know that. It's just frustrating. It's just frustrating. It's always the top-notch best ones you got that sometimes just don't make it. So now I'm gonna run home and clean the poop off myself, and I don't know, take a moment, be thankful for what we have. Thankful we have the heifer. She was showing herself being a good mom, so she's licking the baby. We'll take care of it later.
So came back over and there was feet hanging out. That baby there was breached. It was a heifer. This one was a bull, the one we had earlier. And yep, it's the way it is. Just the way it works.
I'm gonna try really hard to graft this one calf that's a bottle calf at home. She has not ate all the placenta. I draped the placenta on her. I'm gonna get these stillborn twins out of here, and I'm hoping that Daisy is aggressive enough that she will want this baby, that she'll just start nursing her, because this will help this mama out a lot. Okay, turn me off. So I did tie Martha up, and I'm trying to graft this calf. I know she's not yours, but do you think you could try to love her for me, please? Her milk is not quite in yet either. I don't know if the twins were about a week away yet, so I'm gonna leave the calf in here. I'm gonna untie Martha, Colorado. She's got many names. We're gonna finish touring, aren't we? And we'll go home. Okay, thanks for your help. It's just kind of a sad deal, isn't it?
Now she's trying in.
Hopefully, we'll see what happens. I'll probably come over and check on her later. You two ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, I gotta go do my chores at the shop.
Okay.
Okay, can you help me with those?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Boo, are you tired? I think he's tired. We have to get her on another teat, though.
She knows it's feeling better, isn't she?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure he'll suck them all.
It's a girl. It's Daisy. Good mama. I'm sorry. I know you lost your babies, but we're gonna get you an orphan.
You have an orphan baby now.
We'll just have to watch and make sure she doesn't get scoury since she's got colostrum now, you know. This is our little baby that was robbing everybody, 2 months ago? We brought her home and bottle fed her. Well, now that Colorado lost her babies, we are going to try to get Miss Daisy.
Oh, she got milk.
Yeah, I know, it just took her. You know she's got 3 teats back there on that one side? She got extra.
Calf's happy.
Mm-hmm. You're just gonna have to keep pinning her up for the next 3 days until she gets enough milk. Put her on another teat. Whoa, Days! Did you slide? We'll get it all out of there.